So in this video, we'll be seeing how we can read from the BigQuery and also write to the BigQuery. So we have two workflows to demonstrate that. So this is a simple node which allows us to choose the data set and the table that needs to be read. And we can also refresh schema to see what are the different column names available over there. We can also preview the data by clicking on the play button. And now let's execute it. And this is just going to read from the BigQuery table and display on the screen. So this will give a job ID which we can use to track the progress of the job on the Dataproc execution page or the jobs page. So we need to wait for a couple of seconds, and then we can see the entire content of that particular table displayed on this execution page of the Sparkflows. So here we can see all the different rows available over there. Now let's go ahead and see how we can also write to the BigQuery. So as you can see, what we are doing, we are just reading from a specific location in the GCS and writing to a table, and we are calling it as housing query table. And internally what it does, it requires a temporary bucket where the data is going to be dumped, and from there it is going to copy to this particular BigQuery table. So we need to specify all these different configurations. Now let's go ahead and execute it. Again, the job has been submitted to the Dataproc. And in a couple of seconds, you will be able to see that these particular results are saved in a new BigQuery table. So you do not need to leave the screen. You will get all the updates right in the execution page of the Sparkflows. So this is how we read and write to the BigQuery table using Sparkflows. Thanks.